Hello world! Today I will take you to a magical place. I know I said that many times before, but this time I really mean it. This place is in Europe and it is next to one of the smallest European capitals, the capital of Slovenia. Dubbed the Switzerland of the Balkans, this is maybe one of the prettiest countries in the whole of Europe. The capital is Ljubljana and 50 km north of Ljubljana is Lake Bled. Surrounded by mountains and lush forests, it offers a picturesque view that you will never forget. In the center of the lake there is a small island with a church and several buildings. You may have seen this island on a postcard or a wallpaper somewhere. We didn't visit the island because it was a 2-hour wait until the boat comes back to pick you up, and there is not really much to do on the island itself. The tower of the church is on the island and is 50 meters tall and sure makes for a good postcard material. The water of the lake has a nice calming bluish green tint. There are several beaches around the lake that can be used from tourists to swim. There are a lot of boats and people can rent kayaks or bikes to ride around the lake. Bled was an important cult center during the Bronze Age. There were gold appliques dating from 13th and 12th century. Today it is a major tourist destination with several hotels and a lot of restaurants surrounding it. The culinary star of the lake is the local pastry called kremnica or kremna rezina. It is very tasty and it is worth trying. It is also protected by European law. Our visit was in the beginning of August. There were some tourists, but it was not crowded. Since we stayed in Ljubljana, I went from the capital to the lake on my bike. It was a nice ride with some nice elevation gain, but bear in mind that a lot of the roads were not allowing cyclists. When you get there by car or a bike, you can use one of the many paid parking spots, but you have to be careful because in weekends and holidays it may be full. A nice thing was that the parkings had an app that you can use to track your time and pay with your phone. So thanks for watching and please enjoy these ducklings swimming carefree in the water. Peace, and if you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up or share it with friends. Thank you.